How to crush your 2024 goals. Yes, it's that time of year again. Time to set your goals for 2024. But let's not just set them, let's crush them. Here's how. 1. Get crystal clear on what you want. Be specific. How much money do you want to make? How many deals do you want to close? What's your ideal lifestyle? Number 2. Reverse engineer your goals. Break them down into quarterly, monthly, weekly, and daily targets. This makes them more manageable and keeps you on track. 3. Focus on lead gen. The number one driver of success in real estate is quality leads. Figure out the strategies and sources that work best for you and double down. 4. Master your mindset. Success starts in your head. Surround yourself with positive people and consume uplifting content. Read books, listen to podcasts, and watch videos that inspire you. 5. Take massive actions. Goals without action are just dreams. Consistently do the activities that move the needle. Prospecting, follow-up, lead conversion. Even when you don't feel like it, make it happen. 6. Track your progress. What gets measured gets managed and improved. Use a CRM or spreadsheet to track your lead gen, your appointments, and your closings. Celebrate wins and course correct when needed. 7. Get coaching and accountability. Top athletes and business owners all have coaches. Find someone who has achieved what you want and learn from them. Join a mastermind or accountability group. 8. Stay consistent. Success is built on daily habits. Commit to doing the work every day, even when it's hard. Show up for yourself and your clients, rain or shine. 9. Embrace failure just like it's feedback. You'll experience the right growth to become who you need to become when you are ready and willing to fail. For more tips like this and to get top coaching and training in real estate, visit rockstaragent.com today. Let us partner with you.